Market momentum is super important in trading, but how would you identify market momentum to ensure that you're only going to be trading in its direction? Well, in this video, we're going to showcase an indicator that you can use for exactly that, to identify market momentum. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, let's begin by adding this indicator to our chart. To do that, you're going to go to TradingView, which is the trading platform that I'm going to be using. Next, you want to load any trading security that you like in any time frame. For me, I'm going to be using the 5-minute time frame of GBP/JPY. And then click on Indicators and type in Momentum Bias Index. This one by Algo Alpha. So this is our indicator. As you can see, it's composed of a red teal histogram and this gray dotted oscillator right here. Whenever this histogram is colored teal like here, this indicates bullish market momentum. If it changes its color to a darker shade of teal like this, it indicates a decline of the pre-existing market momentum. This would basically mean that the market trend is about to shift from bullish to bearish, or it could also indicate a market pullback or retracement. On the other hand, whenever this histogram is colored red like this, it indicates a bearish market momentum. If it changes its color to a darker shade of red like this, it indicates that the bearish trend could be coming to an end, or it could also indicate a market retracement or pullback. Now, in order to use this indicator to trade, we would need the market momentum to be strong enough to push the price in the direction of our trade. And for that, we're going to be using this gray threshold level. Whenever this histogram is above the gray dotted line, that indicates that the market momentum is strong enough and we can take the trades. We will not take any trades if the histogram is under the dotted line. Simple. Now, to craft a simple strategy out of this indicator, we're gonna need to add one more trading tool to the chart. Open the indicator search tab and type in ADX, this one called Average Directional Index under the technical section. Next, we're gonna add a white horizontal line at the 20 point. To ensure that it's exactly at the 20 point, you're gonna double click on it, then under coordinates, you wanna change the price level to 20. After that, you can also change its color and then click OK. As you probably already know, the ADX, also known as the Average Directional Index, is a directional indicator. It's right there in the name. It's used to identify market direction or trend. This red oscillator, also known as the ADX line, is the one that we're going to be using to identify the trend. Whenever it's above this white horizontal line, that would indicate that the market is trending. It could be an upward or a downward trend. Now, if the ADX line is under the white line, that would indicate a non-trending market. In other words, it would mean that the market is ranging, and we will not be looking to take any positions. Now, let's go back to the settings of the Momentum Bias Index so we can change some settings. We're going to disable the bullish TP signal and the bearish TP signal because we're not going to be needing these options. After that, click OK. Now, while this indicator is wonderful in identifying market momentum, as said earlier, a teal histogram indicates a bullish momentum and a red histogram indicates a bearish momentum. The question you may be asking yourself is,
how can we use it alongside the ADX to take long and short positions?
Well, I'm gonna tell you.